It's only 8, so I don't know why it feels so early to me. Honestly, I've been sleeping in too much. I've been sleeping in until like 9, which is super late for me. So I've been trying to just get back on track and trying to wake up around like 6:30. Honestly, it takes me a while to wake up. Even though it's a super bad habit, I will just lay in my bed and just go on my phone right after I wake up because my brain, I just need to wake up first, I don't know. But I'm headed to my yoga class right now. This is the high heat vinyasa, so this is one of my favorite classes. It's like 100 degrees in there, seriously. I come out, I'm dripping. It's like I just went swimming, so. $312 calories just by 1 hour of yoga. People do not realize how good that is for you. It's just so dynamic, you know, like there's stretching and also some strength and like body weight movements. So I love it. But, and also you're in a sauna, so it's like really, really good for you. I'm gonna head home now, probably just do some cleaning up, freshening up too, cause your girl's sweaty. Yeah, we're gonna have a fun day. I am feeling sick. I probably should not have went to yoga.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind, and the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop, stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go. The leaves fall slower than they have ever done before, and the flowers bloom in the sunlight, brightening up my room. Stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go.
I made my matcha hot today because I'm not feeling good, as you heard, but this really hits the spot. And pho. I really want some pho. I could make it, but that would take like, that's like a whole day type of thing, you know what I mean? Don't you just want to like cuddle up in your warm laundry? So I've been trying to quit coffee because, one, I'm allergic to it, which is so sad. You know, with food allergies, they kind of just affect you in a lot of different ways, and most of the time you can't tell what it is. So like, you know, most people think, oh, a food allergy is like a nut allergy, and when you eat it, you know, you like get hives and everything, but actually it can affect you just in like fatigue or even brain fog. I know that coffee hurts my stomach for sure, and also I've noticed that whenever I do drink coffee, I have an extremely hard time going to sleep, and sometimes it's not even just trying to get to sleep. It's like last night I was trying to fall asleep, but I couldn't get to my full REM, if that makes sense. So I was aware that I was not asleep yet, which is not normal. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and stop coffee completely, even though I just really love the taste of coffee, and obviously the caffeine is addictive. So that's why I'm on my matcha grind. This section of today's video is sponsored by G4Free Activewear. G4Free is an activewear company on Amazon. All of the items that I received were super high quality. I was actually super surprised with the weight of the items. These bare feel yoga pants were my favorite out of the bunch. I love the color and I love the fit of them. These are the only flare leggings out of the items that I received. I'm also a huge fan of the waistband being straight. These are the wide-legged version of the previous pants. I really appreciate how comfortable these pants are. These ones are a little more relaxed than the previous leggings, but as you can see, they still give you a lot of shape, and you can even make them look business casual with some heels like I have here. All in all, I really do like these black pants. Next are the loose yoga pants. I am in love with this color. I usually only wear neutrals or blacks a lot, but this color, dark burgundy, is really beautiful and it is still muted, so it's not too vibrant. Once again, it is a relaxed fit, which I really love, and I think it's so pretty. These are the Airy Blend sweatpants. The waistband on these are extremely stretchable, so if you are between sizes, I would recommend going down because these will definitely fit you. These are perfect to wear if you're going to be lounging around the house or if you have errands to run. They're extremely comfortable but also very cute. Next, we have the casual wide leg sweatpants. These are adorable. I love the way they fit. They're a little bit thinner than the rest of the clothes, so this is more for working out. One thing that I love about this brand is that they have options and sizes for the lengths of the pants. So if you're a little taller like me, you can put tall or regular, and then if you're on the petite side, you can also put short. The Airy Blend Modal soft sweatpants were so cute. They did run a little big, so if you are once again between sizes, I would recommend sizing down. These are perfect for winter coming up and perfect to wear around the house or run errands or really whatever you want. Thank you again to G4Free Activewear for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Okay, so here's the plan for today. It is basically 11, and on Mondays I always go to Costco and grocery shop with my dad, so we're gonna go do that right now. And then afterwards we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. Oh my gosh, I love that place. I need like closed-toed shoes for winter, but I want something like cute, not like sneakers, you know? So we're gonna go there. Yeah, I don't know what we'll do after. Maybe we'll get like In-N-Out or something. Getting back, I'll probably just have to do some homework. Pretty fun, but also chill day today. About an hour later now, I got home just a little bit ago and I cleaned some more, did some more laundry, got that going right now. On Mondays, this is what I usually like to do. Get the groceries done and clean so that it's basically like a reset for the week. And then I also just use this day for my homework just to kind of get a head start on it because I usually, honestly, I think I just cram it in all on Thursday. You know, little by little I'll work on it until then, but usually Thursday is my day to like really focus on all of my work that I have to do. I make sure to get it done on Thursday so that I don't have to worry about it Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So right now I'm gonna get started on my homework. But yeah, so when we come back from Thanksgiving break, we have 3 weeks left and then we're done with the semester. Praise. And then after that, I have only 3 semesters left. This is so crazy. I wish I started vlogging honestly, I wish I started vlogging so much sooner than I did, but I really wish I started in my freshman year of college so I could see, you know, like, oh my gosh, like first day of college, and then I'll be like last day of college. I'm going to do my Pentateuch homework right now. I do like this class, but it's honestly just really boring in person to sit through like a 2-hour lecture. So this is like what an assignment looks like. In 600 to 750 words, address the prompts provided in this outline for a Bible study teaching session on the book of Numbers. Identify and briefly explain the structure of Numbers. Identify and describe all major points in the narrative where the people grumbled, rebelled, or disobeyed. I mean, it's definitely gonna be easier than like nursing, of course, you know? Like, duh. But also it's like really hard because you can't just like fly through these things because, you know, it's like about God.